messed the graduation cap up. Yikes. I ran out of rhinestones. I put rhinestones for this. I don't know where those are. So I'm gonna take them off this and put them on here. Figure something else out. See, I messed up the graduation cap right there. So I was gonna put a crown on it, but then I ran out of the gold I was gonna put around the crown. I ran out doing the border, right? And the border's hanging off because it's not staying on. And I can't use the glue. I got it slippery, so I guess I need to hot glue it. But I hate using hot glue on graduation caps. I feel like it weighs it down. And I'm probably going to have to hand rhinestone this. And she ain't pay for that. That one. Those two? Yeah. This isn't glued down, and neither are any of the rhinestones like on the side or anything. So that's what I'm gonna do next.